Hi everyone. So I've been really enjoying reading and watching and listening to your assignments so far for community work and development, the presentation. It's been really interesting to learn more about what kind of makes you tick and the things that interest you and the things that really kind of tie you to the idea of place, or things that you have a collective memory with about or with that you share with people. I actually do share, in terms of collective memory, I found myself feeling quite nostalgic or feeling like I share a lot of similarities with you all as well. Once the assignment marks are released for the presentation, I'll write a little post talking about that more, and I found that we actually have quite a lot of similarities. So this week it's all about applying theoretical perspectives. This is going to be really, really helpful for the final assignment, the report. So it's really important to kind of take this seriously. I know this sort of stuff is a bit dry, but we're towards the end now. So let's kind of work on these sorts of like higher level kind of application of theoretical perspectives. Please post your table from the activity just before at 9.3. And reply to another one of your peers' posts. List the outcomes you would expect from someone else's strategy. So this is all about being critical, reflexive, and being able to have a look at someone else's work and be critical of it, but in a professional way. So backing up what you're saying, substantiating what you're saying, offering alternatives, all of those sorts of things. You then need to reply to the response in your strategy and expected outcomes and state whether you agree or disagree if the strategy would reach these outcomes. Were there outcomes here that you didn't think of? Did you expect your peer to identify different outcomes? So it's quite theoretical, but I probably will have maybe a differing activity that kind of links to this later on, say Thursday, midday Thursday, that can kind of relate to the report in a bit of a different way. I also posted a research video at the end of last week in terms of how to fine-tune your research on the library catalogue. So hopefully you've all had a look at that. This is a screen recording of me playing around trying to find different sources that relate to human services, community studies, social studies, sociology, all things within our field of kind of interest. So have a look at that. I think it'll be really helpful if you're a bit stuck or a bit daunted by the library catalogue. Okay, cool. Well, I'll speak to you all soon. Thank you.